Asa had been experimenting with her brownie recipe for weeks, and today, her patience and dedication had finally paid off. She pulled a tray of perfectly baked brownies from the oven, the rich chocolatey aroma filling the kitchen. After letting them cool, she knew it was time to cut them into pieces. She placed the brownies on a cutting board and looked at the rectangular tray, mentally planning out the cuts. "I want to make sure everyone gets a fair share," she said to herself, imagining her friends' delighted faces at the upcoming gathering. Asa decided to cut the brownies into 4 rectangular pieces. She carefully measured the tray with a ruler she had grabbed from the drawer. The tray was 12 inches long and 8 inches wide. To make 4 equal pieces, she would need to cut it in a way that each piece had the same dimensions. First, Asa decided to cut the tray into 2 equal rectangles lengthwise. She made a cut at the 6-inch mark, which divided the 12-inch length into 2 6-inch pieces. Each of these pieces was now 6 inches by 8 inches. Next, she needed to cut each of these rectangles into 2 smaller rectangles. She carefully measured and made her second set of cuts across the width, making cuts at the 4-inch mark along the 8-inch side. This divided each 6-inch by 8-inch piece into 2 6-inch by 4-inch pieces. After the cuts were made, Asa had 4 perfectly rectangular pieces of brownies, each measuring 6 inches by 4 inches.